Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called ySense, and we're going to do in a full review, showing you exactly how you can earn money, what you have to do to actually earn the money, and whether it is worth your time actually doing this website called ySense. So let's jump over to the desktop and we'll run through it bit by bit, and we'll give you a full review and rundown of how you can earn money with ySense. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come on to the ySense website here, and this is how easy it is to sign up, guys. You just put in your email and a password and click this box here, and then obviously just click the Join Now button, which will take you through to just completing some of your information, full name, etc. And once you've done that, obviously you will then get a few points just for doing just that. Now, so what is ySense? And as you can see here, it is really you can get paid by taking paid surveys, cash offers, and you can also get referral bonuses as well. And these are some of the sites that they're obviously using on the ySense site. We're going to dive straight into it now and show you inside ySense exactly how you can go and earn money and whether it is actually worth your time doing ySense to earn money online. Okay, so we've come inside my ySense account here, and as you can see, I've only just joined ySense. I've just done it from fresh because I want to show you exactly how easy it is to actually go and earn money on ySense. Now, as you can see, the first tab you can come to here is the complete surveys. So obviously this gives you different surveys. It tells you the amount of time it will take and the amount of money you will actually earn. And some of them are quite high. Obviously, this one, $6.81 for 15 minutes. That is pretty good. Whether it will be available, that's what I found when I first come in here. It did take a while for me to actually get a survey that I could complete. A lot of them were all timed out, or they were just not actually available to me. Now, you will find this with any survey site that obviously there will be certain questions that you have to actually answer, and if you don't fall into the right category of what the information they're going to want, then you won't actually get to do the survey and obviously earn the money. And this can be a bit frustrating at sometimes, but don't worry, because this happens every single site that you can go on. So just take your time, go through different surveys, and spend an hour a day trying to get. That's what I would do. To do an hour a day. And just literally go and click on as many as you can and take the initial survey. And even if you earn $2 or $3 a day, that is still going to give you quite a lot of dollars when you come to doing it if you do it regularly on the site. Now, another way you can actually make money, you can actually submit receipts. So if you get purchasing receipts, you have to obviously verify your phone number to do this one. I haven't actually verified that as yet, but that's a simple, obviously, thing to do. Just put your phone number here, send a code to your mobile, and then obviously type in the code that you receive into the box. And this means that you can actually send in a copy of a receipt, and then you'll get some points for doing just that. Now, another thing you can go on to is the daily poll. This is just a question. I've actually gone on and actually done this, and this is how do you plan on spending your ySense earning this year? And this is the results from the poll that they give you. And as you can see, it's very, very easy to do. Just click on a button, takes 5 seconds to do. You can do that daily if you want to come in daily and do it. And that's what I'd recommend on any of these sites. If you're going to make it worthwhile, so just to set a little bit of time aside. This might be when you're traveling on the train, or maybe on, just sitting at home while you're relaxing in the evening. And you can just literally do this for about an hour and actually earn some cash. They've also got offer walls here. So you've got offer ySense offers here. And this gives you different things to do. So if you obviously you've got 3 months of Tidal for just £1. So if you actually sign up for that, you can earn $5. You obviously got a money tracker and things like that, which you can earn $4 for signing up. And loads of different other offers here as well. So go through some of these. Some of these you might like. You might be interested in obviously the Prime Video 30-day free trial if you're looking at getting Prime Video, and then obviously you get $3 just for signing up that. So again, some of these are going to fit you, some of these aren't. So obviously just go through them, sign up to ones that are obviously going to be any use to you, and obviously go and then claim the free money. There's also a thing called a ySense watch, and this is things that you can actually go and watch quick and easy and discover more content. And you can earn a very small amount here, but you can earn it very quickly. So just 1 cent for each of these different things. And again, very easy to do. Just click on them and then watch and discover the latest content from different people, and they'll pay you to obviously go and do that. So they've also got offer walls and that here, which is some of the normal sites that are on the survey sites. So check out any of those as well. They may be of use to you, and you may want to do those as well. Now, a good way of obviously earning more money as well, and a little bit like on a passive way of earning money with these sites. Not all of them do it, and not all of them are worth referring people, but you can actually go and join. You automatically join their affiliate program when you join, so you could refer other people and earn money as well. So you can earn up to 30% recurring commissions on what other referrals make. So in other words, if they make $100, you will make $30. Okay. You also get some sign-up commissions. So for each referral that comes active, and you will earn a sign-up commission of between 10 cents and 30 cents, and that's going to depend on which country they join from. And as you can see here, these are the top tier countries. So there's a lot of actually countries that are actually that can use ySense. So check out the top tier countries. There's loads here, and of course there will be other countries as well that you'll be able to actually go and sign up and still get credited. But remember, obviously, in certain countries there'll be less surveys to actually take. So that is a good thing to look out for. If you're one of the top tier countries, that probably means there is more surveys that you're going to be able to access and more money you're going to be able to actually earn. Now you've also got the forum here as well. And as you can see here, there's loads of different bits and pieces in the forum. So you can join the forum, read what other people are saying. If you've got a post you want to do, then you can obviously go and check out what other people are saying, and they'll give you feedback and everything else. And there's also things like payment proofs and that sort of thing that people obviously got paid. And this is a legit company. This company's been around for a number of years, so there is no issues at all with payments. And as you can see, and I've done some videos about sites that actually give you a payment proof page that you can go and look at. And I always say that is a total red flag anyway. And as you can see, ySense don't actually do that. They actually use the forum where people have obviously gone in and used their payment proofs here, which is they've had over 29,000 people. 29,000 topics with 73,000 posts on that thread in the forum. So as you can see, if they were doing something wrong, then people would certainly know about it. So of course, once you've actually got some money in your account and you've earned some money, you can also go and then exchange that for gift cards and cash. And as you can see here, again, this will be tallied to your particular country. So you might not have as many places where you can actually go and redeem your earnings, but in the UK, obviously that's where I'm from, we've got 16 different rewards, and as you can see, it varies from Amazon gift cards to coffee to Gap and John Lewis, big names, Marks and Spencer's, iTunes even, and they also do obviously PayPal as well. Got to earn $10 in your account before you can actually go and redeem for PayPal cash. So my initial view of ySense is it's certainly a legit company. You certainly are going to be able to earn a few dollars extra every single month. You do need to go in every day. I would say go in and sort of put a little bit of time aside, maybe an hour, half an hour aside every single day, and then you'll be surprised that you should be able to get to sort of $50, $60, which means you can obviously pull that out every single month, and that would be a reasonable amount. And of course, there are other survey sites and that you can join as well and do exactly the same. And I'll put a playlist at the end of this video which you can check out and go and obviously join some of those as well, which will mean that you can obviously earn even more cash just by taking surveys and offers, etc. So if you're going to check it out, I will leave a link in the description below, which you can just click on that link, which will take you through to this page here, where you can sign up today and start earning your first cash online with ySense. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Obviously, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out this video as well. This is a playlist all about other websites very similar to ySense that you could use in conjunction and obviously earn even more cash every single month. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.